Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla trunk misalignment issues reported by owners and the possible causes that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, the trunk or rear hatch may appear misaligned, sit unevenly relative to surrounding panels, show inconsistent gaps, or require extra force to close properly. Some owners may also notice wind noise, water sealing concerns, or uneven contact with trunk seals. Propulsion, steering, and braking systems remain unaffected, but fit and finish, sealing performance, and overall appearance can be impacted. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, body design, and production conditions rather than indicating a universal trunk defect. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves manufacturing tolerance stack-up. The trunk lid, hinges, latch mechanisms, body opening, and surrounding panels are all produced within allowable tolerances. When multiple components fall toward one end of their tolerance range, visible misalignment or uneven gaps can occur even though parts meet factory specifications. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, production batch, transport handling, or prior body adjustments, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Hinge and latch adjustment behavior has also been reviewed. Trunk alignment depends on precise hinge positioning and latch engagement. As a possible contributing factor, minor shifts during vehicle transport, temperature changes, or early usage may influence alignment in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Seal compression and body settling are additional documented considerations. Trunk seals compress over time, and body mounts may settle slightly after initial driving. This can subtly change how the trunk sits relative to adjacent panels, especially shortly after delivery. Environmental and handling factors further influence appearance. Temperature differences can cause minor expansion or contraction of body panels, and lighting angles can make gap variation appear more pronounced even when measurements remain within tolerance. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspection of trunk gaps and flushness against factory standards, evaluation of hinge and latch alignment, and assessment of seal condition. Depending on findings, trunk realignment or latch adjustment may be recommended following service inspection. Reviewed information indicates that Tesla trunk misalignment issues are not universal and often relate to tolerance variation, adjustment limits, early settling behavior, or environmental influences rather than structural or safety-related problems. In conclusion, Tesla trunk misalignment issues are generally linked to manufacturing tolerance stack-up, hinge and latch adjustment behavior, seal compression, and early body settling rather than a defect affecting vehicle operation. The issue varies by vehicle and production conditions, and proper inspection is required to determine whether corrective action is appropriate. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.